Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Accounts Mantra. Today I am going to give a class related to the topic arithmetic mean in discrete series or frequency series. In the last two videos I mentioned how to calculate arithmetic mean individual series by direct method and shortcut method. So in this third video I am going to show you how to calculate arithmetic mean in discrete series or frequency series. Then before that we must know what is meant by discrete series. In discrete series there are frequencies corresponding to different items in the series. Frequencies corresponding to different items. These are the different items corresponding to this particular items or variables. Frequencies also measure or frequencies also mentioned in this discrete series. This series do not have class intervals. Class intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20. This we call it as class intervals. But in this discrete series there is no class intervals. So three methods we are used for calculating or finding arithmetic mean in discrete series. First method, direct method. Second, shortcut method. And third one is step deviation method. So in this class, I am going to discuss how to calculate arithmetic mean in discrete series by using direct method. In this direct method, x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. Sigma means summation. Summation of frequency and this variable or items divided by summation of frequencies. X bar is equal to arithmetic mean. So x bar arithmetic mean, x is equal to value of the various items in the series. These we call it as x. This is the values or variables given in the series. Then f is equal to frequency. Frequency means number of times a particular variable is repeating. Suppose in this example wages 10 rupees. How many workers getting 10 rupees? 4. So 4 is the number of times a particular variable is repeating. So f is equal to frequency. Then fx. Fx means multiply frequency with a variable. Then you will get a fx. Each item is multiplied by its frequency. Each item. First item or first variable 10. 10 multiplied with a frequency, corresponding frequency 4. Then 10 into 4, 40. That is fx. Second variable 20. 20 into 5. That is 100. Fx is equal to 100. In this way, each items you calculate, you multiply with x and f. Then next one is sigma f. Sigma f is equal to sum of f. Sigma fx is equal to sum of f into x. Sigma fx is equal to sum of f into x. Fx, each variables fx you find out, that sum we call it as sigma fx. Then last sigma f. Sigma f is equal to this frequencies total. Frequencies total is equal to sigma f. Summation of frequencies. Through this example, I will make you understand how to calculate arithmetic mean in discrete series by direct method. Question. Following is the weekly wage earnings of 19 workers. Calculate arithmetic mean using direct method. 19 workers wages given in this series. Calculate the average earnings of this 19 workers. So first column wages. This wages in this mathematical way we can mention X or item or variable. So X column 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the wages that earned by the 19 workers. Then corresponding frequency 10 rupees. 4 workers getting 10 rupees. 5 workers getting 20. 3 workers getting 30. 2 workers getting 40 and 5 workers getting 50. So this is the frequency. Then as per our direct method, how to calculate? Mean X bar is equal to sigma f x divided by sigma f. So x and f already given in the question. Then next step is fx. Find out fx. Then fx is equal to f into x. This is f, this is x. So each variable you multiply. 10 into 4. 10 into 4 is equal to 40. Then next variable 20 into 5. 20 into 5, 100. Then next variable 30 into 3, 90. Then next 40 into 2, 80. Then 50 into 5, 250. So fx you calculate. Then next sigma fx. Sigma fx is equal to sum of f into x. Sum of f into x. Add all this fx values. Sigma f x is equal to 560. 560. Fx sigma fx is equal to 560. Then next sigma f. As per the equation, next we have to calculate sigma f. Sigma f is equal to total of frequency. Frequency given in the question. Then added this each frequencies. That is 19. Sigma f is equal to 19. Then x bar arithmetic mean is equal to value 560. You put this values in this equation. 560 divided by sigma f 19. Then 29.47. 29.47 is the mean wage earnings of 19 workers. Mean wage or average wage earnings of this 19 workers is equal to 29.47.